Hello friends, welcome to my channel Innovation IC. In this video I will show you how to make a wireless water level indicator. So in this video I use laser light as a transmitter for wireless communication, and here you can see that IR receiver, that is photodiode. This receives. When I point the laser to this IR receiver, then the LED glows. It means the communication between the transmitter and receiver is done. So here we have 4 LEDs. Here blue, green, yellow and red. So respectively this indicates the our water level condition. So here I have marked full, 75% and 25% and low. So let's see how this circuit works. So here we have this type of cable. I marked and cut according to my markings. Here you can see. So we have to connect this like first this is the ground, and the second is for low indication, and the third is for the 25% indication, and the fourth one is 75%, and the last one is full. So here we have this glass, and I put this type. So let's fill this glass with water and see the result. First we have to point this in the front of a receiver. Now I will show you how this circuit works. So in my second camera you will see the water level indication, and here you can see this. So I fill the water. Now slowly see the response. The low condition is filled, it means the red LED is glows. When I fill the 25%, it means our yellow LED is glow, and when I fill 75%, then the green LED becomes low. Oh sorry, LED glows, and when the tank is full, then the blue LED indicates full, like this. So this circuit works like this. According to markings, the LED will glow. So in this circuit I use this laser for transmission of our signals, for 4 data signals, and in the receiver I use HT12D Decoder IC and a op-amp operation amplifier IC, that is LM358. It amplifies the output signal, and here the port for adjusting the sensitivity, and here for transmission we have used HT12E Encoder IC, and I use this BD139 transistor to drive this laser. So when I point this, so this will work, and this range of this whole circuit, it depends upon this laser and the diode, higher diode. So when I increase the distance, the signal will also receive.